Hello everybody, welcome back. So let's have a look at Matic then. Matic's one of our favourites on this channel. It's certainly gone a bit crazy as we speak. So we've got a few things we've got to look at and see if we can work out where it's going to go from here. So we'll look at the sats value basically. So first of all, we've broken through our first level of resistance, which is really important. We've gone right through the blue box territory now and we're making our way into this no man's land, which should actually be okay to get through over these next few days. Surely we're going to get a few pullbacks here and there, but as we've broken out this level here, I'm hoping that this will now turn to resistance, because it was previously pretty hard to get through and now we've got right through it. So we've got to get right up to this level here. I imagine I would expect our first significant pullback at this level here. Going to be at 210 satoshis and all the way up to 250 satoshis, which is quite a lot of satoshis to push through, to be honest with you. But on the first pass, probably get rejected from there, and then we can try and chip our way into there. But at the moment, we're seeing enormous strength and really good volume actually pouring into Matic against the fact that US customers aren't able to trade this, on Binance. That would be anyway. So it all started here when we broke out of this little triangle formation that we had. So a lot of people saying to me that there was a partnership made with Binance and Matic. I mean, there was the Matic alliance, or the Binance alliance that Matic are working alongside. So yeah, that could do something, but it certainly wouldn't have done this. This to me appears certainly like a technical analysis breakout. And we like these kinds of moves because they're not driven by anything specific other than the fact that we've broken out of a formation, and lucky for us, we've broken out to the up, which is great. So like I say, just to recap, there's really not much to go through. I expect to see a significant pullback probably from here. We'll see how bad it is. If we can pull back any more than half, we might be looking for a retracement back into this blue box territory. If the pullback is smaller than expected, so perhaps down to maybe around 195 or so, then I would expect a continuation to try and break our way through this level. And then once we got to above here, which again is an enormous amount of satoshis to get through, once we've broken above here, we might then at that point begin to really make some significant moves up. When we talk about this with support the resistance we've got with the tether pairing, our main sort of areas to break through is this area here, bringing us all the way up to 1.8 cent, and then the ultimate goal would be around about 2 cent and above. The 2 cent area coinciding essentially with this blue box territory here. They would both go hand in hand, but with this one I think it's probably more useful to look at the sats than it would be for the tether pairing, but they both hold relevance. But the Satoshi values are what we're going to be going by at the moment, especially with Bitcoin staying static around this level. If Bitcoin were to make a big break up, trying to push its way up into the 9,000s again, we might see Matic pull back a bit, probably see that with a few alts. But I actually think that if Bitcoin broke down again towards the 8,000, I don't think Matic would be that bothered by it. I don't think it would be impacted too greatly. This move with Matic appears to be independent from the rest of alts and Bitcoin at the moment. Doesn't mean it won't correlate eventually, but it does appear to be pretty independent from all the others. It's been in the green for 3 days in a row now, significant green candles. Let's just measure this from top to bottom. Significant green candles from the breakout area. It's actually already gone 43%, which is an enormous amount over 3 days. But that's what Matic had done in the past. We've done things like this in the past. As you can see, we've also retraced enormously as well. So I do expect a continuation up to this level, 209 satoshis, and then a pullback after there. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you have a nice evening. Take it easy.